This new facility represents growth, not just in square footage, but in opportunity. With the opening of the Extension Center, we've expanded several of our most in-demand programs: electrical trades, building trades, heavy equipment repair and operation, and cosmetology. We've created new and improved lab spaces for digital media design and manufacturing and machining technology. And we've launched 2 new exciting programs: plumbing technology and emerging technologies. Programs that directly align with the region's workforce needs in skilled trades, advanced manufacturing, and clean energy.
This experience has been nothing but a short of a game changer for me. Since I began my program in junior year, I have gained real-world skills inside and outside the classroom, as I learned how to set up and operate machines, to craft precision tools, parts, and instruments, primarily from metal. None of these experiences would have happened if it had not been for Capital Region's BOCES. And now with the opening of this new Extension Center building, we have given even more space, more tools, and more opportunities to work with cutting and computer machines.
All of the effort that's been put into this, the instructors are continuing to give back, and many of them are part of the organizations that we thanked. The handoff will be when those students come back, and you will, because you're going to find meaning in this building and in these professions here, and you're going to want to give back. And that's the great thing about the trades, is that you're going to find ample opportunity for that.
What this building represents to me is more opportunities for the businesses to get the skilled workforce that they need today. I honestly don't worry about the BOCES students. Every single one of you as students have that great pathway to good family-sustaining careers right now.
Before BOCES, I wasn't sure what program I wanted to do and what path I wanted to take, but now I have direction, purpose, and a passion for what I do. This program gave me a chance to explore the field I love, and I am so proud of how far I've become, and even more excited for what's ahead of me in Capital Region's BOCES students.